Well, look what we have here. Matt Cheslock, and he got all ready for this sell-off. Thanks, Matt. Thanks for dressing up today.
It was a blood red tie, I guess.
Yeah, you definitely dress accordingly. Someone got the memo here. Maybe investors didn't. We rallied after Fed Chair Powell talked yesterday. Do you think maybe we misconstrued what he said?
I don't think so. I mean, a 140-point sell-off after a 600-point gain yesterday in just the Dow. Not surprised to see some of that. We had some stuff, political stuff out of the White House with Cohen and Trump. That never helps the markets. We're going to hopefully get some more clarity on the China discussions that are going to occur this weekend. And oil, of course, we've seen some volatility today. So that breaking through below 50 on the downside, we saw a little bit of a sell-off probably on some stop orders. That's rallied back. So there's a lot of cross currents out there right now.
So even though we're red, like you said, it's not that bad. We're all looking forward to the G20 tomorrow, which is funny because usually we don't really talk about it. Why now?
Well, I think the trade, we're coming up to the end of the year. We're going to start imposing higher tariff rates. That's never a good thing, at least right now for the market. So if we can get some kind of clarity or maybe some kind of pause or freeze on that, instead of being 25%, they're still at 10 while they're negotiating, that would be a good sign the market may rally on that kind of news.
And President Trump and Xi will have their own private meeting tomorrow, private dinner. I'm kind of excited to hear what they have for dinner there. The meat in Buenos Aires is amazing.
I would imagine they're probably going to be doing less eating and hopefully more talking.
Absolutely. Well, you know what? He shot that tweet out today that said things might go well with China, and we did kind of bounce back on that. Matt, what else do we have to look forward to as there's so much going on already?
Well, retail sales, we were talking a little bit earlier with Abercrombie Fitch. They really blew out their number. I guess the teens are spending and people are spending for their teens. So that would have been a big sector to look at, after, you have all the special events that have taken place around Thanksgiving. So we need to see if that can extend because Thanksgiving was early this year, so that's going to be even more shopping days. What kind of sales are going to be used to entice shoppers from early December to mid-December as opposed to waiting to the last minute? So you're going to keep your eye on the retail sales as they come out week to week.
That's a really good point. We do have more days to shop, and I was wondering if this pop in Abercrombie Fitch up 20% was a freak accident or if it's a bellwether for the retail sector.
I think the retail sector was pounded a little bit going into it, so the expectations hopefully were a little bit lower and they can be exceeded. I'm still a last-minute shopper. I shop on Christmas Eve, so you can have as many days as you want in between. I'm still that last day.
You know what, Matt? I'll see you at the mall.
It's a date.
I'm the same. All right. Thank you so much. Have a killer weekend.
All right. You too.